It's recording.
It's recording?
You just said you're fat on camera.
Oh my god. I'm recording! Sounds like Chester C. He says that.
Who?
Chester C. It's a YouTube thing.
It's a YouTube thing.
Tee.
Yeah, this is going on YouTube.
That's Nigahiga. What? Yeah, I'm gonna put this on YouTube. I haven't put a video up in so long. Hi guys. I missed you. Those are my boobs.
That's your face.
Oh, but you tilted it down.
But I can still see your face.
Oh, I just thought you were looking at my boobs.
That is just your boobs. And that's your feet.
I'm not matching. I took off my pants. It was uncomfortable. It was really uncomfortable.
You look so tired.
Tired?
That's the worst thing to say to a girl. That was a joke. You look so tired.
I'm tired.
This is why.
Just kidding.
You heard that.
No, you
Sucking
didn't.
to my dick.
No, I didn't
No
say
such
that.
thing.
I didn't say that. I broke 2 nails.